Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install GRB 111160, which is a division post glass run for a 60 to 66 GM pickup. Today we're going to be putting on the 65 SEMA show truck. On a difficulty scale of 1 to 5, it's about a 3. Tools you'll need are masking tape, weather strip installation tool, weather strip lubricant, socket set, screwdriver set, Now go ahead and install the new division post glass run channel. What we suggest is using some PRP 0075, which is our weather strip lubricant. Now we're ready to put it in the channel. Insert it right here, and then we're just going to push straight down. Once you get even here, you want to push it back up. You're done.